Okay, I am fixing this Ryobi 40 volt battery. Here's the model number. Anyway, so I just wanted to show you how I did it. Right here is where the connection is. If you use these small little jumper cables, these work fine. You don't have to solder any wires on it or mess with the board at all. It just grabs it and grabs it pretty well. Grabs it well enough where this fluke meter is grabbing that, so I can actually check out the voltage. And what I wanted to point out was I would use the voltmeter to figure out, if you don't have this Ryobi battery, just figure out where the the positive is usually where the positive is. Always, it's always right over here. It's also labeled it too. You just got to figure out which is the negative. And if you use a voltmeter, you can find out which nub actually gets a voltage reading, and this is the nub that I was getting a voltage reading on, and it's working out actually perfectly. And also I looked at a video too, and this is where the guy was soldering the wire on the YouTube video, but I did jump around and none of the nubs work like that one, and there was only 18 volts going to it. I am using just a regular home battery charger, an old school one. I have it set at 2 amps. And it is going right there. Of course, keeping the wires separated. Anyway, one thing I wanted to point out about this type of board is there's a little screw right, move this over, right there. If you turn it in counterclockwise, that's what I'm pointing with my finger too, so this way you see it. Right there is the little brass screw. If you turn it in counterclockwise, it lowers the voltage, and clockwise actually increases the voltage. So let me just show you quickly. You can actually end the video right here, because that's all I'm going to do is turn it, and then you're going to see the doing this with one hand. It's a little bit of a pain. All right, so there it is. Now let's look at the meter. I'm going to turn it in counterclockwise. See how it goes up, the voltage. Now I'm going to set it back down. And I pumped it up to 30 volts all at once, and it started getting really, really warm. Anyway, just basically wanted to point that out. Hope this helps somebody, and you really don't have to solder any wires and have any wires dangling outside. And it's not really that complicated. And I just wanted to point out the voltage, step up, step down, how that works. And that's about it. I hope this helps somebody, and have a great day. Bye.